Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little special treat today. Brought a few horns out here. I brought a 80s big bore K5LA and a raised letter K5LLA, and then my BNSF K5HL that I just recently acquired. I got one of my good buddies here. He brought one of his bells out here, and we're at a cool little spot here. We're going to blow a few horns, and hopefully the neighbors don't get too upset with us, and then maybe we might even catch a train coming through while we're here. Thanks for watching. All right, we'll do a little shot of what we got here. Gotta love that big bore number 5. Bam! It's a 2016 Union Pacific raised letter K5LLA. All right, I'll take you up top and I'll show you the new one. And this is a really cool spot where we're at. Like I said, it's a really cool crossing. Maybe we can catch a train coming through here in a little bit. Be a great spot to have a house. You can sit here and watch the trains as they come by. All right, here's the BNSF K5HL, and yes, the back caps are not turned the right way, but they're factory paint sealed. I did not want to mess them up, but I couldn't mount this horn on my van without a riser because the one bell hits. So I had to swap the 3 into 1, kind of like a K5H configuration, so I could run it. So that's why the back caps are all crazy. But anyways, this is off BNSF's Locomotive 6100, and this is the one that's got the weird casting to the one bell. It's not bent, it's just a weird casting. And this is a 2-piece 1L horn. So this is pre-raised letter Airchime horns, but the thing of it is, the one bell, if it'll focus, is unmarked, but has a raised Airchime letters. Oh, I'm sorry, the 2 bell. I'm sorry, the 2 bell has raised Airchime, but the 1 bell is unmarked. I don't know, it's just kind of a odd, peculiar horn. It's a 49,000 on the serial number. Jay brought his bell up here. It's really cool. It's the same one that's on the crossing.